Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on a Texas Drive-'em. One of my favorite truck castings. Really love this truck. Not really wild about this design on it, but I think we can do better. So let's get started. Went ahead and stripped it and painted it. This is what we're working with. Base. Interior. Windshield. And the body. Went ahead and painted the body, drilled out the posts. Going to be painting this black. Just don't like that red, so we're going to paint that black. Windshield's good. I'm going to leave these tires the same. Pretty cool tires. Leave those alone. So I'm going to try something new today that I've never done before. I'm going to try and do decals on this white and change the color on part of it anyway. So I think they call this a decal wrap, but anyway, I got some decals I'm going to put on it and just leave this color white and see how it turns out. So be right back. We're back after putting the decals on it, and this is what we've got so far. What I did was I took a picture with the camera of the truck, and then I put it in Photoshop, cut the sections out of it, painted, used the color on the Photoshop editor and painted those parts I wanted. In this kind of a trim, and then printed them out and put them on here. So I didn't have to spray paint the trim on this. This is just a decal. So the only painting that I've done on this truck was the white. The rest, everything else is decals. Even the tailgate. It's a decal. So it looks pretty cool. I'm happy with it. Let me know what you think. All we gotta do now is put it back together. Ugh. Went ahead and painted the interior and the bikes black. That looks pretty good. Still see the red on the bottom a little bit. That doesn't matter. We're not going to be able to see that. Okay. Get all that in there. Put Well, school started back up, and my wife and I have a full-time job babysitting our granddaughter. And of course, being in school, my daughter's already caught the crud. And she's brought it home to our granddaughter, who's got the crud. And my wife's got the crud, and I'm getting the crud. So it's just, everybody's got the crud. Just a cruddy time. Come on, you. Be cooperative here. Be cooperative. So anyway, I'm going to keep on making these videos as long as I can. I imagine this crud's gonna sit me down for a little bit eventually. We'll just keep plugging along as long as we can. I'm not responding as much as I should to comments. I apologize for that, but I'm kind of stuck taking care of our baby, granddaughter, and my wife. And my daughter's a trooper. She's still going to school, so she's still going. She's sick, but she's still going. And so I just do these videos as I can. So anyway, be right back. We started with this. And we finished with this. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and click the little notification bell for future uploads. Appreciate your comments. Please give a thumbs up if you liked the video, or a thumbs down if you didn't. We'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you later.